What's up guys, this is Ben from Radd Tech, and today we're talking about the Samsung Galaxy S10 that I've had for a whole year. About a year ago, I had a Galaxy S8. I had this phone since about the time it came out, and it worked well until the screen just stopped working. So I brought it into a phone fixing kiosk, and they said that they think that the motherboard is completely fried. So I didn't really have any option but to get a new phone. The Galaxy S10 had just released around that time, so I figured might as well get the newest, greatest thing. So with the Galaxy S10, it was a fairly normal unboxing experience. They had the prism looking S10 lettering on the front. This mimics the prism color on the back of the phone. I got the 128GB prism black model. Upon opening the box, it's pretty standard on what comes on the inside. It actually says what's inside on the back of the box. You get the Galaxy S10, a wall USB charger, stereo headset, USB connector from USB-A to USB-C, quick start guide, smart switch guide, and the Samsung mobile care offer. And apparently there's a whole section of this unboxing that I never noticed. Didn't even realize that this box was in here, but that's just paperwork that no one looks at anyways. So that brings us to the phone itself. This phone has worked great over the past year. I've been keeping it in a case as much as I can, and I've actually been able to keep the original glass protector that it came with in the box on the front. So today I think is a good time to take that off as a special moment. Now there is a little bit of dust around where the camera punch hole is, but that's to be expected because that was the only part that was exposed for the whole year. But other than that, it looks perfect, no scratches, no dust on it, just nice and clean. And then on the back, pull the phone out of the case, give it a little wipe down, and even the back is still nice and clean. The Galaxy S10 was Samsung's flagship phone of 2019. They put 3 cameras on the back, they put an ultra-wide lens, they put a standard lens, and they put a zoom lens all on the back, along with a flashlight and a heart rate sensor. Moving to the edges, on the top you have the SIM card and the SD card tray. On the right hand side you have the power button. On the bottom you have speakers, mic, USB-C, and headphone jack. And then on the left side you have Bixby button and volume buttons. Unfortunately, it looks like this is the last flagship phone that Samsung is offering with the headphone jack. The Note series didn't come with one, nor did the S20 series, so I'm going to miss that when I move to the S20. To open up this phone, you can turn it on by pressing the power button, swiping it open, and putting your PIN in. It also has a fingerprint sensor on the bottom, so doesn't seem to work too great. That just took me 4 tries. So hopefully in the S20 series they'll be fixing that and making it a lot better. As for the screen, it's nice and big. It's pretty responsive and fast, but it's not up to today's standards like the S20 series having 120 Hz. Overall, in the last year, this phone has worked great. I haven't had any issues with it, but having this phone fully naked in my hand definitely makes me excited to hold the S20 or the S20 Ultra. Fortunately, my next video will be talking about the S20 Ultra, so make sure you're subscribed and click the bell so you don't miss the video on the Galaxy S20 Ultra. This video is probably going to be pretty short, but I'll close by saying even though this phone is over a year old now, it's still a great phone, it works great, but the price has dropped so much since it launched that you can usually get one pretty cheap. Even if it's used or new, they'll usually be quite well priced, so keep an eye out for one because you can probably find a brand new one somewhere out there for a fraction of the original cost. So that about wraps up this video. Make sure you're subscribed and click the bell icon so you don't miss the next video where I talk about my unboxing and my first impressions of the S20 Ultra. Don't forget to like this video, follow me on Instagram, and comment down below what you think of the Galaxy S10 and what phone you have and if you'd ever switch. Thanks for watching. Peace.